Hey there. Implicit intents are used to get from one activity to another. So one way to get to another activity would be to use an intent, specifically a explicit intent, which can only go to one activity to another. So for example, this is a XML file for activity A, and this is an XML file for activity B, and we want the user to see this activity when we click this button. That's how we're going to do that. Well, first we're going to make an on-click listener for this button. So on-click, and we're going to do start activity B on click. Now we're going to create that. Now the class to create an intent, which is intent, we can do start activity B, this new intent. Now the first parameter, we want our context. So our context is where we're at in the program right now. Right now we're in this activity. So to give that activity, we need to use either this or get application context. I'm going to use this. And now we need a pointer of where to go. So we want to go to activity B.class, because if we point to activity B.class, it'll start up its life cycle and it's on create, and that's what's going to start the activity. Now we can do start activity method, and then we can do start activity B. Now if we run it, and we press the button, we'll be sent to activity B. Now, if you want to send some information to activity B, there's another way to do that. There's one way to do that, and that's called extras. So we put an extra in there. So first we want, from our edit text here, we want whatever we type in there to send over to activity B. So if we put an ID to this, let's put an edit text, and we get the edit text from here. And we do string, let's do this as a field, put this as a global in there, string my edit text equals edit dot get text, string this. That's just getting the text from here. So this is the text sent. That'll be sent. That will be placed into here once we click it. Click the button down here. Now, create an extra would be start activity B dot put extra. Now we can set a key. Now remember, whenever we want to create like a key, we should always put it as a string in here. So put my text. This is going to be our key. This is we're using a key because for the other activity to find this string, this extra, it needs a key to get it. So we're going to use a key, and then we're going to put in the my edit text. Now what this is basically doing is we're getting the intent, we're getting the intent, and we're saying this class, so activity A, wants to be sent to activity B, and it wants to put in an extra, so data that you want is sent over with this key, which is my text, and the text from the edit text, and you just start it. And we can get the text by getting a bundle. Bundle equals, you're getting the intent, so you're getting the intent that was passed into here. Getting the extras, so remember, get extra. We also have put extra here, and we're just getting the extra from the intent that started this activity. And now we're doing string activity A text equals bundle. Now we're getting the string, and now we need the key again. So we can do get the key again. Text key. That's it, and then we want to set that our text view to activity A text. Now let's start the app. Let's see if that works. Hi, I'm Ted. Hi, I'm Ted. It's sent over. Yay! And that concludes the tutorial.